such an amazing theme, Halloween takes out village. So I'm wearing Nico and Jan. My makeup by Dale, that hair by Becca. So again, ito pa village.
Why now? What was the inspiration, idea?
Well, honestly, we have a lot of, it was a process, definitely. We wanted something funny, but also very nostalgic still. And something like a concept where I can still play around being high fashion, of course. So we thought that this would be like perfect.
Michelle, which horror villain are you secretly rooting for and why?
Secret horror villain?
Ano ba which
Horror villain? Pwede ba Mitena?
I
love it.
Have you ever had a real horror scary experience?
No, and I don't ever want to. They say they only appear when you acknowledge them, so I won't acknowledge them. I love it.
Kung papasok ka sa haunted house at Michelle D, do you think you'll survive?
Yes. Kasi walang totoo dito. No, honestly, I mean, it's all in the mind. I'm a big scaredy cat. I love horror films, pero 99% of the time nakapik it up.
Pero if ever you're gonna bring someone sa loob ng haunted house, who do you wanna bring?
Honestly, my mom. My mom kasi sasampalin niya yung mga multo. I've seen that happen. Tinapot siya. Tapos niroon siya sa banggano lang yun. Oh my God! It was really funny. It was such an experience. Pero, ano na lang. I would love to be in a horror film. Parang ako na lang yung mananakot dito sa katawan.
So, mas gusto mo ikaw yung nananakot kaysa yung natatakot?
Parang gano'n na lang. Not in real life, pero in a film. Yeah, ako kasi baka masyadong totoo.
Which horror villain are you secretly rooting for and why?
Secretly rooting for, I feel like si Wednesday ba considered villain? Kasi I feel like she's one of the villains that I always root for. Tsaka parang ang ganda ng series niya, she's very consistent with what she does. Like, yeah, she does some evil stuff, but it's for the for the betterment of the people around her.
If mapunta ka sa isang horror movie ng as Darren Espanto, you think magsusurvive ka?
Feeling ko hindi naman ako unang mamamatay. Pero hindi ko alam kung magsusurvive ako. Yun lang. Parang kulang pa survival instincts ko. Pero kumpara naman sa iba kong mga kaibigan, feeling ko, yeah, kaya ko pa.
Darren, meron ka horror experience talaga? Scary experience?
Wala pa eh. Yun nga, I'm such a horror fan. I love watching horror movies, mga thriller. Pero never pa ako naka-experience ng paranormal activity or anything.
If makakita ka ng Philippine folklore, ano gusto mo makita? Manananggal, tikbalang,
Parang ang
kapre?
yun, parang manananggal, parang ang astig makakita ng lumilipad. Alam mo yun?
Astigin si Darren makakita ng manananggal.
Yun nga eh. So yun.
Bakit naman vampire?
Vampire, right? Ayun nga, galing po akong endorsement shoot ngayon. Hindi ko talaga alam kung aabot ako ngayon, but my glam team was like, you know what? We'll just come prepared. So my stylist Kuya Rodel brought this to the shoot. Si Kuya Mikey Arcano, nag-prepare lang ng hair and makeup for me. Tapos may fangs pa siya, hindi ko lang mailagay because of my braces. So, ayun, hindi ko naikabit yung fangs, pero vampire po talaga ako.
Actually, I don't really know. I just got medyo vampire din ako. I'm a vampire with wings. So, it's a different feel. And, got the fancy stuff in the hand. So, something new. I don't really wear costumes. It's been a while since I've celebrated Halloween. So,
Moderate vampire.
yes.
Vampire.
Yes.
Vampire,
Vampire, yes.
Have you ever had a real horror experience?
That is a good question. Actually, not to the point that I would say it's valid.
Pero may natakot ka na.
Yung sister ko, she's someone in the family that could sense it. Ganun. So may mga kwento siya na parang may nakita siya a lady in our place. Ganun. Pero nung bata pa lang siya. Pero for me personally, wala and sana wala.
Which horror villain naman are you secretly rooting for and why?
Horror villain?
Horror villain.
Horror villain. I'm such a bad movie watcher, but who are the horror villains nowadays? I'm just gonna say I like the villains with masks. Like Jason. Very very discreet. Those kind of yung mga ganun yung root ko.
together pala. The wings, everything. Was it something you grabbed down sa closet mo?
Oh no, syempre I had to plan it out. Had my stylist Rodel.
Ganda.
Yes, thank you. Oo nga, first time din wearing wings. Actually, I'm surprised na it's still hanging on to it. So, ayun, actually, kasi ako na everything works well with the
It
dress.
works.
Yeah, and wala, parang hindi ako sanay na magsuot ng ganito. So, you know, it's nice to attend one of these events.
If papasok ka ba sa haunted house sa Jameson Lake, feel mo ba magsusurvive ka?
Oh no. Sa online, sa scary games pa lang, natatakot na ako eh. So, that would be a very good challenge for me. Pero ako, to answer your question, maybe not.
But if bibigyan ka ng 1 million and then the challenge is you have to stay in a haunted house, would you do it?
Makina mo raw yung talent mo.
Yeah, parang hindi pa rin.
Villain, are you secretly rooting for and why?
Horror villain?
Yeah.
Siguro si Mike Myers ng Halloween. Kasi he's just so persistent eh. Parang gusto mo yung parang effort niya habulin yung mga victims niya. So baka siya. Yeah.
Have you ever had a horror experience?
Horror experience? Siguro wala pa. Parang I don't attract that energy. Ayoko i-attract ko rin.
Kapag papasok ka sa haunted house sa LA, feel mo ba magsusurvive ka?
Feeling ko magsusurvive ako sa haunted house kasi matapang naman ako.
And if you'll be part naman of a horror movie, tingin mo magsusurvive ka?
Good question. Actually, I've always wondered that kung ako yung nasa sitwasyon sa horror movie na kung ako magsusurvive talaga. I feel like kaya ko naman. Minsan common sense na lang talaga. But sometimes, you know, in real life, parang horror movie na rin yung nililive out natin. Eh. So, you know.
Tonight it's Maleficent going to party. So yeah, because also it's feathers. Just Maleficent having a good time on Halloween.
Is this real feathers?
Yes, it's real feathers.
Speaking of Maleficent, which Halloween villain, horror villain you're rooting for?
Evil Queen, like my name, Evil Queen. Yes, of course.
Have you ever had a real scary horror experience? Ghost encounter or a ghost lang?
Sakit naman, but yes, I believe in ghosts because I think that ghosts are energies. I think they stay, and some elements you just don't disturb them. So naniniwala ako like if ghosts are here, dyan lang kayo.
Diyan lang kayo. Dito lang ako.
If you'll be part of a horror film as yourself, you think you would survive?
I think I would kasi I think I will be a fun character. I think if a friend ko yung ghost na parang, dear, magpahinga ka na, dear. Parang I think yun yung plot nung horror story natin.
And if someone will give you 1 million, but the challenge is you have to stay in a haunted house, would you do it?
Yes! Without batting an eyelash, 1 million, maging magbarkada na kami lahat ng masasamang kaluluwa. I have 1 million at the end of the day, so yes.
Sinong kasama mo sa horror house? Sinong kadamay mo?
Marina Summer. Masasayawan, magli-lip-sync battle lang kami to.
Walang damay.
Tonight it's Maleficent going to party. So yeah, because also it's feathers. Just Maleficent having a good time on Halloween.
Is this real feathers?
Yes, it's real feathers.
Speaking of Maleficent, which Halloween villain, horror villain you're rooting for?
Evil Queen, like my name, Evil Queen. Yes, of course.
Have you ever had a real scary horror experience? Ghost encounter or a ghost lang?
Sakit naman, but yes, I believe in ghosts because I think that ghosts are energies. I think they stay, and some elements you just don't disturb them. So naniniwala ako like if ghosts are here, dyan lang kayo.
Diyan lang kayo. Dito lang ako.
If you'll be part of a horror film as yourself, you think you would survive?
I think I would kasi I think I will be a fun character. I think if a friend ko yung ghost na parang, dear, magpahinga ka na, dear. Parang I think yun yung plot nung horror story natin.
And if someone will give you 1 million, but the challenge is you have to stay in a haunted house, would you do it?
Yes! Without batting an eyelash, 1 million, maging magbarkada na kami lahat ng masasamang kaluluwa. I have 1 million at the end of the day, so yes.
Sinong kasama mo sa horror house? Sinong kadamay mo?
Marina Summer. Magsasayawan, magli-lip sync battle lang kami to.
Walang damay.
If you're part of a horror movie, how long will you survive?
Oh my gosh, wala na.
Intro pa lang, ako yung first one out sa intro pa lang. I can't talaga. I really can't.
They always make that decision na papagandahin ba nila yung movie o hindi. Doon ako sa hindi na ako papasok doon sa bahay. Magramdam kong may multo eh. So, hindi kami pang horror movies.
And if bibigyan kayo ng 1 million and then the challenge is you'll stay in a haunted house, would you do it?
Saan yung haunted house? Punta na ako doon ngayon. Ngayon na ba?
I think,
Hindi, ako pas ako. So, totoo lang pas ako.
yeah, for me, baka hanap din lang ako ng ibang racket para kumita ng 1 million.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.